The Chinese Fusion Engineering Tester Reactor (Cfetr) is the next step device in China for the purpose of filling the gap between ITER and the fusion power plant. Cfetr, the demonstration of fusion energy power of 50 to 200 megawatt. The realization of a duty cycle time 0.3 to 0.5 and a tritium self-sustained with a tritium breeding ratio of 1.2. The vacuum vessel of Cfetr was welded by the 8 sectors. Each of the vacuum vessel sector is assembled with 2 sectors of thermal shield and 2 TF magnets for some VV and TF structure. The 8 VV and TF structures in turn mounted on a support TF completed VV, TF thermal shield installation, and this design takes into account the integration of the assembly. The magnet system of Cfetr includes 16 toroidal field coils and 6 central solenoid coils. The equilibrium field coils will be 6 for ITER-like plasma configuration and 8 for SuperX and a snowflake plasma configuration. The center magnetic field strength in the plasma center will be 5.0 ton. The maximum capacity of the volt-second provided by center solenoid coils will be 160 volts. The Cfetr thermal shield system, which provides an 80K cooling environment and an optically opaque barrier for total and local thermal load from being transferred from warm components to the superconducting coils, and structures that operate at 4.5K. The cryostat. Its main functions are to provide vacuum insulation environment for the superconducting coils and the second boundary for the confinement of the radioactive production during fusion reaction. To protect workers from ionizing radiation during activated machine maintenance, by providing and operating a system of remotely operated tools, equipment and procedures to be used inside the vacuum vessel. Blanket remote handling system is the maintenance system for blanket module by remote control. It is made up of chassis, hydraulic jigs, 2 remote handling. The one typical procedure for remote handling system are: install 3 chassis from diverter port onto diverter support rails, and connect them together by connecting pins, then lifting the main RH hand from vertical port, connected to chassis by bolt, and then connected to the side hydraulic support structure. Install the 2 remote handling system from diverter port on the diverter railway. The 2 RH robot hand is for blanket pipes cutting, welding, and other future possible function. The blanket pipes are T-shape, and the cutting and welding for pipes are both for T-shape head and inside pipes structure. The 3 hydraulic supports move to the 3 support structure on the backplate of blanket module and uplift the blanket module, then rotate it to the vertical port. The 4 gantlines lifting system transfer the blanket module to the vertical cask and move into the hot cell. The diverter remote handling maintenance system is the key component during Cfetr operation. The diverter RH maintenance procedure is: toroidal driver system equipped with manipulator is adopted to move the diverter to the maintenance port driven by the gear rack. 3 DOF platform move the diverter downward in the VV to the level of radio rail at the lower port. Then the diverter is moved to the transfer cask, docked with the machine by the chain wheels.